What's going on, everybody? Today I'm going to show you how to replace the remote battery in your 2020 Chevy Silverado. The first step to replacing the battery is you're going to need to remove the emergency key from the bottom of the remote. On the left side of the remote there's a button. You're going to need to push that button in, and then you can pull and remove the emergency key out. Now we're going to need to remove this back panel off of the remote to expose the battery. You're going to need a small flathead screwdriver. And what I like to do is go right here in the corner, and you can actually kind of just pull up on part of the remote. Same thing on this side, okay, until you get it open like this, okay? And you're going to go ahead and just pull it apart, okay? Part with the buttons you don't need. The back panel is the one that has the battery. Now we're just going to pry the battery out with the screwdriver. Alright, get a new remote battery. Alright, so here's our new remote battery, and it's a CR2032. Now see how it has the positive sign right there? It's going to be facing away from us when we put it in. Just going to sit it in there. Alright, now we'll just put these guys back together. Snapping it together, and then you can get the emergency key and put it right back in, and you're all done. Well, hope the video was helpful, and if it was, I'd really appreciate it if you'd like and subscribe. You guys take care, be safe, have a great weekend.